Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. Sorry for the late upload and long upload. I should have been uploaded, but I was just having trouble deciding what company I wanted to work with next. I picked Allie Grace. Allie Grace is a company I'm going to be working with. I got a 20, 24, 26, 28 inch bundles loose way. My frontal is going to be 14 inches. I was only able to get 14 inches because they didn't have longer inches for the transparent in stock. I'm sure they do now, but I mean, oh well. Since the hair is here, I made it into a wig, and since my frontal is shorter, I pretty much evened out my hair and I layered it out, so everything would pretty much it'll be a layer cut. The loose wave pattern, I definitely like it. I dig it. It's really dope. Right now, I'm cutting the cap. I did the basic ball cap method minus the gel. My local beauty supply definitely hooked me up with the Kiss Almighty Blonde Bond glue. I actually like that blue. That glue. I'm so sorry. It's pretty dope. I feel like it lasts longer, and it doesn't, like, when it gets old, it doesn't get all gooey and nasty looking how any other glue will look. But y'all, this company, I really like their lace. Like, I like it a lot. If anything, if I had to tint it, I just tint it with concealer, the Ruby Kisses, and as well as their powder. That's what I'm using as well. But y'all, I'm so happy to be back, and here's a look at the wig. Alrighty, so here is the wig. I bleached the wig because I wanted highlights, so pretty much I would just grab every other piece. I'm sure this hair could have got lighter, but I mean, this is more of kind of the look I was going for. If you want a color tutorial, I'll be gladly to help you when I re-dye and go back over it. But we're about to tint the lace with some concealer and do it as well to my cap a little bit, and then I will be adding the glue. I only used 2 layers of glue, but I used 2 thick layers. So overall, I felt like it got the job done. The lace down on the glue. Overall, I actually like this lace. I like transparent lace. I don't think they had any HD in stock. Well, they didn't have any HD in stock, and they barely had this in stock. But honestly and truly, I like the lace. Like, it blended very well. And I recommend you guys to definitely ask for transparent when you order, because some people don't know that you have to ask. But I definitely asked when I ordered. And overall, communication was up to par. They did their thing. And shout out to Allie Grace. Alright, now this is from my local beauty supply. I'm not so sure if you can see the brand. It was pretty much, to me, it reminded me of like a to-go edge brush, which I thought was very convenient and I thought was very nice. I'm about to show y'all how, I don't even think I caught it on camera. Well, I did a little bit, but pretty much it snaps open. Right now I'm hot combing without the slick sticks. Normally I use a slick stick to get it down, but I'm not going to do that until the end. Right now I'm just checking out my hairline, seeing if it looks natural. And now I'm about to work on the baby hairs. look that I'm going for is more settled. I'm just doing a basic side part and a little swoop here, swoop there. The gel that I use, of course, is the Gorilla Snot Yellow. Typically, I would use the clear one, but my Walmart doesn't carry it anymore for some odd reason. So I got the yellow Gorilla Snot to start off with, and then I will use the LA gel, the blue bottle. That gel's like $1.98. It's pretty convenient. I like it. It's not too harsh. It's very smooth once everything dries and gets settled. But yeah. Overall, the brand that I'm using with the concealer and the powder is Ruby Kisses. I would typically use the concealer to put on my bald cap. I meant to mention that earlier, and the powder that I use is definitely the same brand. You can find that at your local beauty supply or order online. But overall, this is the hair, and this is the 14-inch frontal. You can see how it looks. I'm gonna go in and layer it because normally my hair is in layers, but fuck it. I'm gonna definitely just cut downward so everything will just match up and doesn't look like I got a bob but a head full of hair in the back. Alrighty, now how do I make this hair like nice and real luscious? Of course, I use leave-in conditioner Garnier, the green bottle of the Shea Butter Mix. But this next clip is to show you the hair without product. I actually like it without product, and I didn't really put product in until the next day. I'll insert some more videos and stuff at the end, but Overall, I like this hair. The lace is pretty dope, and the company was very well kept with communicating and let me know. Shipping is, like they say, 4 to 5 days typically, but try to get y'all orders while y'all can and make sure y'all get the transparent lace. But thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe and watch my videos. Bye.